Hi, all you lovely women. Today is Women's Day, a great opportunity to talk about us. So, let me ask you, does anyone ever has acknowledged the good in you? Do you yourself know the good inside you? Do you think you are worthy of happiness, abundance, love, joy, peace, and success? Are you feeling great today? Do you know GREAT is the acronym for getting really excited about today? So, are you excited about today or are you dwelling in the past? If you are letting your past decide on the life you want to live, then you may never be able to live it. If you're waiting for someone to come and help you or save you, then you may be just wasting your time because you only have the power to take your own responsibility. When you do good, people notice. When you do best, people notice more. So, always do your best because it has the power to take you to the next level. Life is on an incline. You can either go up or you can go down. Choice is yours. There may be 100 things happening to you. 90 of them are your own creation. If they are good, be happy about them. Enjoy them. If they are bad, then learn from them. And rest 10%, they are nature sent. You don't have any control over them. Like typhoon, cyclone, earthquake, death of a relative. They are unfortunate. But only thing you can do about them is to respond. And that response comes from the way you have dealt with the other 90. So, what I believe in, and you should as well, is that you are beautiful, you are smart, you are funny, you are kind, you are unique, you are never too much, and you are always enough. You are precious, so celebrate yourself. You are much more than what you could ever imagine. You are powerful and strong and capable. You are Shakti, you are Durga, you are Kali, and you are Saraswati as well. You are Mirabai and you are Rani Jhansi. You are a doting mother and a loving daughter. You are an equal partner and above all, you are your own self. A woman who deserves all the love, affection, care, passion, and affirmation. So, believe in it strongly. Find that woman and set her free. Tell yourself every day that I am awesome. And please don't you ever forget it, ever. Up till now, we spoke about how to be mentally fit. Now let's talk about how to be physically healthy and fit. It is very important for everyone to be physically healthy and fit, especially for women, because oftentimes we are not even aware of the symptoms and health issues hit us hard. हम लोग अपनी हेल्थ को थोड़ा हल्के में ले लेते हैं क्योंकि आगे इतने सारे इम्पोर्टेंट काम पड़े होते हैं और फिर अपने लिए टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पहले से ही इतनी सारी थी, अभी जब घर और बाहर दोनों देखना पड़ता है तो और बढ़ गई है. बट वी आर द पिलर्स ऑफ द फैमिली एंड हेंस इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स. बीइंग हेल्दी हैज़ टू बी द प्रायोरिटी. जैसे हम सारे काम अच्छे से संभालते हैं ना, वैसे ही अपनी हेल्थ और वेलबींग को भी अच्छे से देखना है. So my first and foremost advice to all women is to go for regular annual health checkups, full body checkups. We are more prone to heart diseases than men because we are in so much stress every day about family, children, work, house, and society. So it is very important to find balance and attain healthy lifestyle to reduce stress and prevent ailments. Go for routine mammograms. Breast cancer is becoming very common these days in women. So please don't avoid it saying that I won't get it. Take your health as seriously as you would have taken it for any other family member. Stress is the most common cause of early menopause, PCOS, and PCOD. Talk about them, take help, and energize yourself to be healthy and happy. Remember, you are worth it. You are beautiful. So celebrate yourself, celebrate your life. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day to all you lovely ladies. Dream big and may all your desires come true in abundance. Thank you.